It's a misty day, although there's a little blue. Well, the garden is coming to the end of its season, and just wanted to do a little tour. Right here, got some butternut squash. I don't know if I'm actually gonna get any mature fruit. I do have several happening right now, which is awesome. I had a really big one, but something or someone stole it, so that's too bad, but it is what it is. It's nature. Peppers have been producing quite a bit, and got lots of these fun orange ones called Jabba the Hutt. This was a Carolina Reaper. It did not produce anything, but that's okay, just because I don't know if I could really handle that level of spice. Lots of jalapenos. That's nice. And these lychee tomatoes, which I continue to not want to eat or harvest, and just because they're covered in thorns and they're difficult to deal with. Kale, looking a little ragged, but still producing. Tomato wall, still have lots of little tomatoes, but it's coming to the end of the tomato season. As you can see here, some of them are starting to die back, but that is what it is. This bean plant has been a huge disappointment. Berry patch, everything's surviving, everything's doing okay, and in fact, didn't think I was going to get any berries from the new plants, but I have some lingonberries, so that's fun. Nothing happening with the huckleberries. I'm just glad they're alive for now, and we'll see what happens next year. Lots and lots of this big kale that I don't know what to do with, so gotta figure something out. Some little lettuces, cute. More marigolds, too many damn marigolds this year. These beans are pretty, probably harvest them in a moment. Swiss chard that I don't know what to deal with, and let's see what else. Lots of flowers. I learned quite a bit this year about growing roses. I hope to learn more next year, but we've got this beautiful flush of colors. Zinnias, still really tall, pretty. More roses over here, and then a bunch of these dahlias. Oh, I have another dahlia plant over here. That's really pretty. I like this one. It's my favorite. So good looking. Let's see. That's just about it. The grape plant, I didn't know what to do, and so whatever was required to do to make them work, I didn't do it. But it still grew really well. I mean, look at that long vine. That could be some nice canes for next year. Yeah, that's it. Everything's just kind of wrapping up. But it's been a good season, and I'm hoping that I can figure stuff out for growing over winter. I think that would be a lot of fun.